Oh no. Good morning and welcome to Mathematics for Primary 3. Today we're going to start off by looking at our homework. And the homework was to write these numbers under the correct headings. And here is our homework answers. We had numbers 231. So under hundreds, we'd have 2, tens, we'd have 3, ones, we'd have 1. Our second answer number was 123. We had 100, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Our third number was 697. So let's see. So I had 697. I need somebody to be able to tell me how many hundreds, how many tens, how many units. So if you want to answer the question, put up your hand. Oh no. Okay, so let's go back and have a look. So 697, we had 6 hundreds, 9 tens, and 7 ones. So 697. Our fourth number was 966. 9 hundreds, 6 tens, and 6 ones. And our last number is 549. So we had 5 under the hundreds, 4 under the tens, and 9 under the ones. How many of you did the homework? How many did the homework? Let's have a look. How many did the homework? Oh, no. Non-auto, did you do the homework? Okay, if you want to all talk, I turn your microphones off. How about listening, please? How about listening? Okay. Nonglina. Nonglina. Do you have your notebook there, Nonglina? Good morning. Oh, now your notebook, your Samut notebook, where you did your homework. Did you do the homework, Lena? Did you do your homework? Did you do Ganban? Lena, did you do Ganban? Okay, in my class, you have to do some homework. For mathematics, you have to do homework because what you learned yesterday, we're going to talk about again today. So you have to do some homework. Nong boss, did you do your homework? Nong boss? Boss, did you do your homework?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you did. Okay, have you got your notebook there? Your isamut?
Okay.
Okay. So you need to do your homework. Said we need it for your class, so okay. So let's have a look. We're going to move on. Instead of counting by 100s, we're now going to the next number up. So 100 is 100. Our next number up is 1000. How many zeros do we need to make 1000? Everybody, show me with your hands, how many zeros do we need to make 1000? Pink, pink, how many zeros do we need to make 1000? Show me with your fingers. How many? We need 5 zeros. That's part of 1000, a little bit bigger than 1000. 3 zeros, good girl, Pink Pink. Anyone else? Omsin, how many zeros do we need to make 1000? Oh, you're joining me. You're in room 5, but you're joining me. That's okay. Norm, you're in room 4, but you're still joining me. Okay. Potak, non Potak. How many zeros do we need to make 1000? Non Potak? Okay. Oh, Mr. Boss is back again. Non Potak, how many zeros do we need to make 1000? We have 1 with no zeros. So 1, no zeros. 10 has how many zeros? 1. 100 has how many zeros? 1, 2. 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1000 has 1, 0, 0, 0. So 3 zeros. Let me show it to you on the whiteboard. So we have number 1 has no zeros. We have number 10 with 1 0. We have number 100. It's got 2 zeros. And yes, hello, yes, hello. And then we have 3 zeros, which is 1000. Hello and good morning, yes. You want to write on the whiteboard? I know you want to write on the whiteboard. It's like a game, but I'm going to rub you all off because we need to do a little bit of work. Then we might be able to play a game at the end. But okay, so 1000 has 100 has got 2 zeros. Then our next number is 1000. It has 3 zeros. So 1 and 3 zeros is 1000. And today, we're not going to count up to 1000. We're going to count up to 10,000. So our last lesson, we learned how to count up to 10,000. Oops, this is. Now we are going to count to 100,000 in units of 10. But before we get too big, let's look at a little bit smaller. How many thousands make 10,000? How many thousands make 10,000? Let's have a look here. Non-nipole. Non-nipole. How many thousands make 10,000? Non-nipole? Okay, nipole, you're not there. Non-minta. Non-minta. How many thousands do we need, which is oval, to make one cube? How many thousands do we need to make 10,000? And if we have a look in our book on page number 5 in our book, if we look at page number 5, we look at page number 5 in our book, okay, I'm losing control there. But if we look at page number 5 in our book, we can see that we have some circles on page number 5, and each circle is worth 1,000. So if mum or dad was to give you a whole pile of money and one is 1,000 baht, how many 1,000 bahts do we need to make 10,000? Can you show me with your fingers again? How many do we need to go from 1,000 to 10,000? How many do we need? Lena? Lena? How many thousands do we need? We need 10,000. So we need 10. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. How many circles or ovals do we need to make 10,000? So, okay, draw in your notebook. I now want you to draw the circles and write the numbers on, like what you see in your textbook. So you're going to draw one circle with 1,000. The second circle is 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. How many you think you need to make 10,000? And then we'll look at what you've got. Nong Pew, good morning. Nong Pew, good morning. Nong Pew, are you still with me? Nong Portak, are you still with me? Nong Project, are you still with me? Can you hear me, Nong Project? Nong Pink Pink. Nong Pink Pink. How many thousands do we need to make 10,000? Show me with your fingers. How many do we need? It's like
Oh,
counting from 1 to 10. How many do you think you need, Pink Pink? Okay. So we have, Pink Pink, you count with me. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So we need 10. Same as if we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same. It's all the same. So in your notebook, Pink, you're going to draw 10 circles. So you have to draw 10 circles. Nong Euro, good morning. Nong Sandy. Nong Sandy. Sandy, are you there? Good morning, Sandy. Good morning, Sandy. How many circles did you have to draw, Sandy? How many? Circle Basar Thai Rong Kong. How many circles do you have to draw? I think we have to draw 10 circles. 10 circles. So in your notebook, you're drawing 10 circles. Sip Rong Kong. On, on each of the circles, you have to write a number. We're writing, writing 1,000. I'll draw it on the whiteboard so you can see. Okay, so here's our whiteboard. We'll just erase the numbers that are there. And we need our pen, and we're going to draw. My circles are not good this morning. Lop, lop, lop. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. And we're writing in each circle 1, 0, 0, 0. 1,000. Excuse my writing this morning. Okay, so we're looking at doing up 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. And we're going to add the circles together. If we go from this circle to this circle, it equals 2,000. 2,000 plus another 1,000 equals 3,000 plus another 1,000 equals 4,000. Yes, my circles aren't good. They're getting smaller there. Plus another 1,000 equals 5,000. plus another 1,000 equals 6,000. Let's draw these first circles again. $6,000 on computer, talk to me. So if we look at 6,000 plus another 1,000 plus another, that makes 7,000 plus another 1,000 makes 8,000 plus another 1,000 plus another 1,000. Uh-oh. That makes 8,000. We better put another one in here. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. $9,000. And we have a big one right at the end. And it's 10,000. 9,000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Oh, we got too many circles. Does that mean Teacher Paul can't count? 1,000 plus 1,000 equals 2,000. Okay. 1,000 plus. Okay. So this one should be over a bit. So let's erase. Blah, blah, blah. And if you've got your 10 circles, like in our book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th circle equal, a purple circle is 10,000. 10,000 is a big number. So how do we write 10,000? How do we write 10,000? How do you think you write 10,000? Okay, here's our whiteboard again. I want somebody to write 10,000 on the whiteboard. Your pen, I've just turned on all your pens so you can use your pen to write 10,000. Show me how to write 10,000 on the whiteboard. Mr. Pugh, keep writing that. We have a 1. Keep writing. So we want 10,000, Mr. Pugh. One zero, zero, zero. Oh, we got another zero up in the sky. We don't need that zero up in the sky. Okay, we have 1, 0, 0, 0. So teacher Paul, that's 1,000. Okay, we want to make that 1,000 10,000. So what do we have to put on the back of the number? What do we have to do? That's great, Mr. Pugh. We need to add another zero. Mark. So we've added another zero. Yes, Shannon, very good. Now, so we can see the 10,000. Okay. Now, let teacher Ball have the pen for a moment, please. If we have 4,000 plus what equals 10,000? What number do we need if we have 4,000 and something plus something to make 10,000? Who would like to answer the question? Okay, so if you're going to answer the question or write on the board. Oh, we need 8,000. Shannon, okay, I think you need to count. We need to count again, Mr. Shannon. Shannon, we need to count again. Okay. Shannon, we have 4,000 and we want 10,000. Very good. Mr. Shannon, you want to have another go? Mr. Boss 2. Very good, Mr. Boss 2. Okay. Very good, everybody. Now, 60,000. No, we've got 1 0 too many down the bottom. Whoever answers down the bottom, on the bottom of the screen, we don't need 4 zeros. We only need 3 zeros. Okay, so let teacher Paul have the pen again, and then you can write your answer. Okay, let's stop playing. Otherwise, I'll turn you all off again. Let teacher Paul have the pen for a moment, please. Okay, I have 7,000 plus something equals 10,000. So 7,000 plus something equals, no, don't scribble on the board, please. You scribble on the board, you're hurting everybody because I turn it all off. 17,000. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay. So, okay, if you're going to play, you're going to mess around, I turn off everybody's pen. Okay, everybody's pen's gone. So my next question, I want a girl to answer this question. We have 9,000 plus something equals 10,000. Now, if you can answer the question, boys, I don't want you just scribbling all over the whiteboard. I want somebody, one of the girls, to the pen's turned back on now. Okay, so 9,000 plus 1,000 equals 10,000. Okay, boss, are you a girl? Boss 2, are you a girl? Boss 2D Mark, very good. But I asked for a girl to answer the question, please. So very good. Okay, very good. I'll give you a tick. My pen's gone. So let's finish our class off. Oh, it's only 9 o'clock. We have time. And next step, and I'll give you homework again, which is going to come from page number 5 of how we count to 10,000. And I'll give you page number 5 and some work from page number 8. Page number 5 and page number 8. I'll put it onto the school bright. Page number 5. We're looking at the different things. Section number 2. How many chocolates are there? We have 4 big bottles of chocolates. And those 4 big bottles have got 1,000 written on them. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small bottles or jars or containers, same. And they have 100 written on them. So they've got 100 on them. So if we're writing our number, we have 4,500, and then our number gets smaller again. And the next number in plastic bags. And we have 10 beans or chocolates, 10 lukewarm chocolates in each plastic bag. So 10 in each plastic bag. So 10 plus 10 makes 20. Makes 20. And so we're looking at a number, 4,520. Then Teacher Paul has got 6 chocolates that Teacher Paul's going to eat. 6 chocolates Teacher Paul's going to eat. This is on the bottom of page number 2. Sorry, page number 5, section 2. Teacher Paul's got 6 chocolates. Teacher Paul ate 6 chocolates. So a big number is 4,526. So like yesterday, we could break it down into smaller numbers. And if we have a look at our hands-on activity, it's breaking it down. But I'm not giving you that for homework because I can't read Thai. If you give me numbers in Thai, I can't read it. So we're going to do an exercise for your homework, Ganban, and it's on page number 8. Page 8. How many chocolate bars are there? You need to look at the box and count the number. I don't know whether this will show to you because my screen's on. questions. How many do we have? In our first question, number one up here on page number 8. Page bad, 8. We have 1, 2, 3. And each box has got 1,000 on the box. So we have 1,000 chocolates, 2,000 chocolates, 3,000 chocolates. So in the little box at the end, you need to write your total. How many we have? Teacher Paul has 3,000 chocolates. And then letter B, same thing. And number 2, you have to count the jars or bottles of chocolate and write the number in your book. This homework you need to do by next Thursday when we have class again. But that homework should not take you long. I'm not going to give you a lot of homework. The next page is Basar Thai. So I don't read Thai. So Teacher Paul will also do up a worksheet for you to look at. Hello, Matt. Book 1. Okay. So if you understand, put up your hand. Kao Jai. Kao Jai. Do you understand your homework? Kao Jai Ban Kan Ban. Kan Ban. Okay. Mr. Potak. Nong Potak. Nong Potak. Nong Potak. Your microphone's turned on, Nong Potak. Can you speak to me, please? Okay, Nong Kun. Room number 3, Nong Kun. Nong Kun, are you there? Okay, you're not there. Okay, Nong Kun, are you there? Good morning. Good morning, Nong Kun. Kun, are you there? Nong Kun, have you come back? Okay. So Teacher Paul is going to ask you a question, so you have to listen to this question. And if you want to answer the question, you need to raise your hand. And it's not raising your hand like in a good morning, Nong Kun. It's not like raising your hand in the classroom. It's raising your hand. Raising your hand on the computer. So on the computer, there'll be a button that you can raise your hand, put your hand up if you want to answer this question. I have 1,000 chocolates. All the students in primary 3 want 10,000 chocolates. How many chocolates does Teacher Paul have to buy? I have 1,000. And all the students in primary 3 want 10,000 chocolates. How many chocolates does Teacher Paul have to buy? Put up your hand if you know the answer. I'll explain it again. 1 plus something equals 10,000. So if you know your answer, put up your hand. Okay. Teacher Paul can save a lot of money. He doesn't have to buy a lot of chocolates for the students. But it is 1 plus 9 equals 10. So Teacher Paul would have to buy 9,000 chocolates, which is a lot of money. But okay, Teacher Paul doesn't have to. Uh, Everyone's back again. So your homework, as I said, is on page number 8, page bad, section 1 and section 2. I will put that on School Bride as soon as we finish this lesson. Put your homework there and you take a photo of it. Click. Take a photo. Click. And then send it to me in School Bride. Okay, it's time for us to finish now. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you on Wednesday for English. Bye bye.